when a Georgia homeowner noticed unusually high water bills. They called Estes Plumbing Services, experts in leak detection and plumbing repair. After a full plumbing inspection, our certified plumbers discovered the real issue hidden below the home. The old crawl space plumbing had multiple small leaks, each one wasting gallons of water every day. These aging pipes had reached the end of their life. To prevent more water loss and potential damage, our team recommended a complete repiping service. We replaced all the deteriorated water lines with durable, high-quality piping, providing a lasting solution for the home's plumbing system. Once the repiping installation was complete, we pressure tested every connection to ensure a perfect, leak-free result. The results were immediate. The homeowner's water bill dropped by 80%. This shows how expert crawl space repiping can greatly improve water efficiency and cut costs. At Estes Plumbing Services, we help Georgia homeowners protect their property, reduce energy and water costs, and gain peace of mind through expert repiping, leak detection, and plumbing repair. It's that easy. It's Estes.